These are some of the strangest bird sounds ever recorded, and the last one is truly terrifying. Number 1, white-bell bird. The loudest bird on Earth. Its call reaches 125 decibels, sounding more like a siren. Number 2, red-tailed hawk. This bird's piercing scream is so intense that Hollywood often uses it instead of an eagle's call. Its chilling cry echoes across the sky, making it one of the most iconic bird sounds. Before I tell you the last one, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Only good humans can do it. Number 3, penguin. You might think penguins are cute, but their eerie, ghostly calls in the dead of night sound straight out of a horror movie. Which one is the creepiest? Comment below.